So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on Internet Protocol version 4. Make sure you have obtained the IP address automatically selected and obtained DNS server address automatically also selected. And then click on OK. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up. If it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. If that's still not working for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in ipconfig space /flushdns. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And then once you've done that, you want to head over to search again and type in network reset. Click on it. And then click on reset now. And then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes. Or you can just do it yourself right now. And then this should now fix your problem.